Hello guys, welcome back. In our last video, we learned how we can manage reviews through GeoBuddy AI and our local AI agent Cursor and how to manage reviews for our GeoDirectory. Today, we will learn how we can manage our GeoDirectory settings with GeoBuddy AI and our local AI agent Cursor, in which we will show you how to update GeoDirectory settings and how to manage our GeoDirectory categories. Before that, we need to go to our GeoBuddy AI settings and go to the General tab where we need to enable the setting right tools. As soon as we enable the setting right tools, our available tools will become 25, and tools such as update GeoDirectory setting, create and rename a GeoDirectory category, create a GeoDirectory custom field, and update a GeoDirectory custom field will be enabled. And we will show you today how we can use these tools here through our local AI agent. First of all, we need to open Cursor. After opening Cursor, we need to check our MCP tools to see if our GeoBuddy AI tool is enabled and connected with our Cursor. It is showing that our GeoBuddy AI tool is connected to our local AI agent Cursor and we can use it. So we will come here first and search for how to use the GeoBuddy AI setting management tools. So we have asked our local AI agent how to use the GeoBuddy AI setting management tools through our local AI agent Cursor, and it will provide us with the steps. Here it has told us about 4 tools. The first step of which is to enable access to the setting right tool in the GeoBuddy AI settings, which I have already done as I just told you. Second, what you can do is read our current GeoDirectory settings. We can change our GeoDirectory settings. We can create and rename categories. We can add any custom field and edit the existing GeoDirectory custom fields that are available to us. Now we will tell you how to use it. So first of all, let's show how we can update the GeoDirectory settings. So first we go to the GeoDirectory settings where we check what we need to do and which setting we need to update. For example, this user deleted post setting is currently disabled and we will enable it through our local AI agent. So let's see how we can enable it. First, we copy this and then write a prompt here. Please enable the user deleted post checkbox in GeoDirectory setting. We have told our local AI agent that we need to enable the setting for the user deleted post checkbox. So our local AI agent will enable this setting. We will have to wait a few minutes as our local AI agent shows us the result. Our local AI agent has now said, I will enable the GeoDirectory user deleted post setting via the allow listed update tool. So our user deleted post checkbox is currently disabled. So our local AI agent will now enable it. Our GeoBuddy AI tool is processing in the background to enable this setting. It is taking a little bit of time. It is still searching. Our setting has not been enabled yet as our local AI agent is processing it in the background. Our local user deleted post is now enabled, meaning our setting is now enabled, as we can see here. Similarly, let's learn how we can manage the categories of our GeoDirectory listings. First of all, let's create a category. Please create the new category. Let's write the name here, GeoBuddy AI. This is our post type places. So we will write places post type here. We have now told our local AI agent that we need to add a new category, GeoBuddy AI, which will be added to the places post type. So our local AI agent has now created the GeoBuddy AI category for us, in which it has stated, created a GeoBuddy AI category on places, including the category ID, category slug, and post type. If we look here now, no GeoBuddy AI category existed before. Now we will refresh this page and the GeoBuddy AI category has been created here. Now let's try updating a category. For example, here it says attractions new. Now we will update this category from attractions new to attraction. So we will write, please update the places category, attraction new to attractions. We have now told our local AI agent to update our places category attraction new to attraction. Our local AI agent cursor will now update this category through this tool, and it is looking it up in the background. Renamed the place category attraction new to attraction ID 3. Now our category attractions new has been renamed to attraction. As you can see, now we will tell you how to manage the GeoDirectory custom fields through our local AI agent cursor. We go to settings here. Here are our predefined and standard custom fields. Now we will look here to see if there is any field that is not available here, such as HTML. Now, what we will do is add this HTML field to the add listing form using our local AI agent. Right. So now we tell our local AI agent that we want to use the HTML GeoDirectory custom field to add listing form. So please add this field to the listings form. We have just told our local AI agent that we want to use the GeoDirectory custom field HTML in the add listing form. So please add this field to our listing form. Our local AI agent will now run our tools and add this HTML field to our add listing form. The local AI agent has responded to us here, saying it has added an HTML custom field to places. It will show on the add or edit listing form. ID is 16, key HTML, title HTML, show on detail and listing archive. So let's check. There is no HTML field available here, which we will check now. Our HTML field has been added here, and as our local AI agent mentioned, its key is HTML, which we can find out from the show advanced settings. The key here is HTML and our title is HTML, which will be added to our show on detail page and listing archive page settings. Now, we will make this setting a required field through our local AI agent. So, how do we do this? We tell our local AI agent that please do the HTML custom field required. We have just told our local AI agent to make the HTML custom field required. Our local AI agent will now process this in the background and make this HTML custom field a required field so that whenever anyone creates or fills out a form or adds a listing, this will be a mandatory field. Our local AI agent cursor has responded that the HTML custom field is now required on places listings. So we will refresh and check. The required checkbox is now enabled. Now, for example, this video custom field, we don't want to use it in the add listing form. So we can set it to is active, disable it, or remove it from our listing form. We will first disable the is active setting and then we will remove it from our listing form. We will tell our local AI agent that we don't want to use the video custom field for the listing form. So please disable the active checkbox. We have just told our local AI agent that we don't want to use the video custom field in our listing form. So please disable it. Our local AI agent is now processing this in the background so that our is active checkbox will be disabled and this video custom field will no longer appear in our listing form. Our local AI agent cursor is processing this in the background and will share the result with us via our tool. Our local AI agent has informed us that the video field on places is now inactive. So we will refresh and check here. Our video field has become inactive. This means our is active checkbox has been disabled. Now we would like to remove it from here. Please remove the video custom field from the add listing form. We have just told our local AI agent to remove our video custom field from the add listing form. Our local AI agent will now remove the video custom field from our form here. It told us that the video is already inactive. I will check whether a separate listing form is still included, already removed from the add listing form. it's deactivated. So our local AI agent has not removed it from this form here because it is already deactivated. That is why our local AI agent said that the video field is already removed from the add listing form. Why? Because our is active checkbox is deactivated. So this video field will no longer show in our add listing form. So this is how I explained using GeoBuddy AI to manage your GeoDirectory site settings, categories, and custom fields in this video. And you can purchase our GeoBuddy AI tool from wpgeobuddy.com, which is available in single site, 5 site, and unlimited site licenses. You can also purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year and includes our 10 available premium add-ons. You will surely get all our upcoming future add-ons in this membership as well. So please use our premium add-ons and share your feedback with us. So that's all for today's video. We also provide directory website development and consultation services. If you want any help related to directory website, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon in next video.